Rust is one of the fastest growing programming languages, and it's the most loved programming language among developers for a fourth year in a row, according to the StackOverflow developer survey. So what makes Rust so awesome? A lot of headaches and pains that we face as developers are removed by design in Rust. Things like segfaults, null pointers, and runtime overhead don't exist in Rust. In addition, it's just as fast, if not faster, than C or C++. For the beginner developer, there is barely much of a learning curve, if you've ever worked with any other general-purpose language in the past. So what makes this course different? Well, two things. First, it's complete. We discuss all concepts related to Rust development, and I always keep it up to date, so you will always find new information here. Also, it is uniquely practical. By that, I mean we will have tons of practice to get you using the concepts that we discuss. We will start with the basics, learning about data types, functions, flow control, etc. Then, we will look into advanced concepts like memory management and concurrency. We will also apply our knowledge to build a few practical projects: a GUI snake game, a client-server chat app, and a blockchain implementation. I've made some videos available for free, so have a look through those. So that's it! Rust is an awesome language that's getting more popular every year. I'm sure you'll have a great time learning it. So sign up today, and let's get started learning to build our projects in Rust.